What's up, guys? I don't know if you've been, if you remember back a few weeks ago, Eric Silverio, our dead magician and superb world-class painter here, was resurrecting a few tanks for us. And we have a before and after, but when I walked in and saw this thing sitting here today, I was like, wow, I heard angels singing. Look at the finish on this thing, it's beautiful. Unfortunately, the decal that we ordered was a little bit on the defective side, so the reproduction decals, we got to order a new decal, but it's not cleared over, but the tank came out beautiful. What is most remarkable is you got to see the before. Eric, can you show them the before?
I sure can. That would be my pleasure. You can see that the 400, the tank was severely dented. It was crushed in. So we really had to reset the body line, strip it all the way down. You can see it was dented up front. So it was completely trashed all the way around. So we stripped it all the way down, as you can in the video, and we were able to go ahead and fix the back, the sides, really kind of do an all-over recondition on the tank, and very happy with the outcome.
Just spectacular.
I think that it really. I was hoping for it to get an eye pop, and that seems to be what it did. So I'm very happy with your.
There's, like I said, I've said in other videos, there's only one other guy I know that can do this. That's Joe Abate from the West Coast, but I would say you're the best guy in the East Coast.
I'm giving a run for his money, Ken.
Yeah, well, he's got the West Coast covered. You can take the West Coast too, huh? So we have another tank that we just sent out. We have 4 tanks going his way. 2 for a 360 cross Malcolm Smith era Husqvarna. One's original paint. And the thing is, with an original paint tank, that bike is worth so much more. The bike has an NADA value of $10,000. It's a 71 360. So to take that tank and repaint it, you lose some of the originality, the patina, and the paint is good on it. So Eric's gonna massage that thing back and pop the dent out of it without screwing up the paint. And even if it is screwed up, because a tiny little bit of touch up on it, you never notice, but there's no dent. So we got 2 Husqvarna tanks, a GT 750 Water Buffalo original paint. Yep. See, if you got a guy like him that can massage the metal back, then you don't have to repaint it. And that's another original paint tank, GT 750 Water Buffalo. And it paints in actually pretty good shape. So that's gonna be awesome to see that original paint bike resurrected. And the 4th one was one we're doing for one of our clients.
Yes, it is.
A DT 250, correct? It's a orange original paint, I think 74 or something like that.
Yeah, 73, 74. Right.
So stay tuned. We've got some awesome resurrections, and this is like the calling card of the motorcycle. When this is right, everything else falls into place. So
right, it's kind of like just the eye pop.
Oh, in the metal tanks. This is what really the calling card of the vintage enduro bikes is the metal tanks. So thank you for resurrecting this one.
Thank you for the opportunity.
Couldn't be happier.
My pleasure.
Stay tuned. We got some more great ones coming. Just put it on pause for a second. Hey guys, we got a little special delivery here today. What do you got here, sir? This is awesome. Where'd you get this from?
Bought it at an antique shop
in
Maine.
It weighs like about, I don't know, 15, 20 pounds. This is no cheesy made in China tin sign. It's like made out of wood and very cool. I like it. Looks like it was hand painted. Very nice. I saw this on Facebook Marketplace. Where are you from? You from Tallinn?
Yeah.
Thank you. This is awesome. And then we have something else that came in today. I got to show you this. Look at this thing. Who bought this in?
My dad came back.
Wow. Look at that thing.
And his friend donated that today.
Dude, that's going right in the restaurant bar area downstairs. That's badass. Tomorrow we're doing an unveiling of the restaurant bar area to the Rockville Downtown Association. We've got a bunch of bigwigs coming from the town and a bunch of local area businesses. So we're gonna do a tour and vision cast and what we got going on the first floor. We also, this guy came in today from our friend Tad Eccleston. This is a Motorcycle Chronicle Collector's Edition, 100 Years of Magnificent Machines book that was gifted to us. So he wrote a note, found a really awesome book for New England Motorcycle Museum. You have a lot of these bikes. Look forward to meeting you and your staff after the new year. A very Merry Christmas to you, Junior, Christy, Doc, Wizard, Moses, and Cody. Your bud from Maryland, Tad Eccleston, number 52. He was to be a national motocross racer. Then he goes, P.S. I hope you sue that window company. Remember, we have our windows are rotten after 5 years, so yeah, we'll have the attorneys handle that. And look at this right here. This is awesome too. This is from the Horsepower Man, George Sajowski, Cody's dad. I was eyeballing this. This was at Maroney Harley Davidson, wasn't it?
These are going up in my house.
Oh. I was like, I'll take these. These are badass, man.
I got nothing on the
You see
wall.
them?
Yeah.
Wow, now these are awesome.
This one's really rare. This is when he was riding for Harley Davidson.
Who is that?
So that's really cool. I don't remember who he said, but he shortly after this left, and
That's badass. Yeah, those look awesome. Cody moved in the apartment right across the street from upstate New York. So, how much I owe you for that right there? Can you cut him a check?
You want me to polish this?
Yes, yeah. We're restoring this vintage BSA here. We got new tank badges for it. It's got a couple dents in the tank, and Eric's gonna massage these dents back out and straighten this thing out, and we're gonna leave the original paint on. So this would be a really cool
That's
original.
possible.
Yeah, as good as you can. I mean, it's only original paint once. The paint on the front's kind of rough too. It's got a couple dents, but wait till you see this thing when we get it back. I'm confident Eric will have this thing straightened out. And this is to be an original paint classic. We are not painting this bike because, like I said, they're only original once. That's the water buffalo that Eric's doing the tank on. This thing's got 16,000 original miles, and the carbs are being redone. This thing will be perfect when we're done with it. Here's a GSX 1100 that we're redoing the carbs on today. This thing will be up soon. It's got a brand new NOS exhaust on it, brand new freshly powder coated rims, new tires. It'll be a ripper. New Superbike bars.
Look at that.
So hey, this is a total paradigm shift here, but we're down on the first floor and just taking a look at the masonry work. The stone work came out absolutely beautiful, and they're rebuilding the window sills here. All of the window sills were replaced. They're only 5 years old, but they rotted because they weren't pressure treated. So we did have a problem with one of the windows rotting. We're going to talk to the manufacturer about getting that replaced. Hopefully the other ones will last longer. But they're looking really good. You're doing a great job. Ellison's been here for 5 years working on the masonry work here, on and off. And it's just coming out beautiful. This is the basement area here, and it's looking amazing. It's really starting to come out nice. I'm gonna bring my office down here and hide down here where no one can find me. It's nice and quiet down here.
It's like a superhero cave.
It is. It's gonna be awesome. This is what the windowsills look like before, just to give you an idea. That's the actually, this is not even the before. That's after they put a couple layers of base down there. But really coming out amazing. So off to the detail shop. It looks awesome. Beautiful, beautiful. Is that going up to service? Have them give it the once over?
Yep, once over and nice new bolt chain.
What else you got cooking over here? That's the other F1?
Yep.
Very nice. Wow. Showpiece. Beautiful, beautiful. That is one sexy bike.
Stand back.
Wow.
Hey, boss, how are you? All right.
Nice. You got a nice Penton Jack Piner 175. Wow. Works Performance shocks. Looking good. Looking really good. How's your 650G looking over here?
Not bad. Come a long way from when it came in.
I'd say.
Looking
Looks
pretty
tight.
good. I think it's about
Looks
ready to
awesome.
send up. So getting there.
Very good. DT 400 coming up. Nice, nice.
And then we just go ahead and paint it.
What's coming up today, boys?
These two Ducatis, GS6 Vintage and the Eliminator.
Excellent. This is the RD tank that Eric had restored is going on this one. A new seat cover. I'm gonna clean her up real nice. The engine was rebuilt up at All Sport. He did the motor for us, so it's gonna be awesome. RD 350. We're gonna do the XL 175 too. Goodbye, beautiful Ducati. I'll see you in the showroom. Look at that thing. That is one sexy bike. This is the KLR 650 plastics. That bike's gonna be badass. It was maroon. Eric's gonna paint all the plastics black and pop the dents out of the tank. Here's one that he already did for us. Lighting's not very good. It's getting dark out, but
Yeah,
nice
it's kinda
vintage
hard.
Yamaha tank. Paintless dent remover. That's where it's at. No Bondo, folks. Then another one he's doing for a client of ours right here. Sorry about the lighting out here. This one's gonna be done for a client of ours.
Oh, there's the ding up front there.
Ding in a vintage Yamaha tank. That'll come back dent free and original paint. That's our 750 Water Buffalo original
Yeah.
paint tank. That's gonna be beautiful. Yep, that one's got some dings in it. See that? Which is the one of several that are in it. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 tanks, and then back here he's got the ATC 250R tank. That's 5, a GT380 tank 6, a CB 750 tank 7, 2 Husqvarna 360s is 8 and 9. a KLR 650 tank, and a BSA tank. So you're not planning on sleeping much this
If I
week?
get pulled over, I'm gonna have to tell the officer this is all borrowed stuff.
Hey, you're not planning on sleeping this week, are you?
No, I think I have enough to get me going.
Coffee's gonna be your friend.
Definitely enough fuel and gasoline.
Yeah, absolutely. I think there's another one. Don't we have an ATK
Oh, we
tank
do,
inside?
we do,
Yeah,
we do. I'm
tank number
Closing
12.
up Santa's shop too early.
Yeah. So yeah, we've been growing the business as much as we can, and having partners like Eric that we can outsource to is a huge part of it. We've got Jeff Castine, we've been outsourcing about 10 bikes a month to him. We've got 3 new guys that started in the detail and final assembly shop, and 3 full-time techs downstairs. So we have a total of 10 guys in the service now, and a full-time parts guy. That's Shane. And we've got Cody, full-time sales manager, and Junior and I. So the crew's growing. I think we're at 16, 17 guys now. And we're outsourcing stuff to really ramp things up. January should be a record month here, for sure. So, hey guys, did I catch you two kissing? More cool stuff.
All right, brother. Sounds good, man. I'll talk to you.
I almost forgot, we got a Suzuki one here,
That's all set.
a PE 250 tank that's
Bolts in there. It's tight.
going to be restored.
That's perfect, man. That's great. That'll make it easy to strap down.
That thing's going to be
Awesome.
beautiful when it's done. Does Shane know which ones he needs the order graphics for? Moses, you turning some wrenches over here, brother?
I'm draining the gas out of the tank.
Good man. Good man. Now, tell the folks a couple things you know about Yamaha. I know you've been studying lately. What do you know about Yamaha?
Yamaha is originated from Japan, and Yamaha believe in the beauty.
Yes,
That's Kondo.
Kondo. That's why they're so beautiful, huh?
Yeah, and it's one of the 4 super bikes made in Japan. Yeah. One of the big 4.
What else? Tell me about their logo. What do you know about the Yamaha logo?
Yeah, the logo is stands for sound in music.
It's a tuning fork, right?
And it's a tuning fork.
How come? Why would a motorcycle company use a tuning fork?
Before they got into production of the motorbike, they were into music, the piano.
That's right.
Yeah, so that's where Yamaha originated from. That's why they use the tuning fork.
Just a couple of the reasons why Moses and I are Yamaha fans, right?
Yeah.
Moses has been studying up. He gets an A this week.
Yeah, we're getting into the bikes big time.
Yeah, so this ATK, we're going to do a frame up on this one. So we're just taking the tank off. We're sending this out. Oh, my battery died. I got 12 minutes.